Alright Dylan, so I've only had the opportunity to mark one paper for you so far this term, and that was pretty disappointing. F. This is the first paper too, so let's see how you do. Good start with the first question. Meters, litres, kilometres, kilograms. And I can see your method and you've got that in the right range, so that's full marks for the first page. Well done. That's good. It's not a triangular trapezium, it's a triangular prism, P-R-I-S-M, for that page. Radius chord tangent is good, and that is good as well. Well done there. 5, 11 to the page. Really good start here, Dylan. Eight is what he thought of. You aren't making it clear. Let me just check the mark scheme. No, that's okay. You'll get that. And that. 12 and 4. Well done. Times by 4. So you'll get that mark now. 6 times 8 is 48. But it's t that you want to work out. So once you've got the 48, what you've then got to do is t equals 75 minus 48, which you haven't worked out. So you're going to lose that mark. 45x, y less 3, 8. So 4 marks there. And 48 pounds there. Good. 14 marks on that page. This is really good though. Really good. Okay, so you've got them in order, 1, 2, 3. But what you should notice is that in this case there are 2 middle values. So you're looking for the halfway. So halfway between 59 and 62 is 60.5. So you will get 1 out of the 2 marks because you've correctly ordered the list to find the median. So that one's right. With this one, the cost of the outcome, right, what you've done is you haven't answered the question. What you've done there is worked out how much they've got left after they've spent that. They want you to turn that back into pounds. So what you're looking to do is 404.6. You times it by 1.9 to go from pounds into euros. So to go the other way, you have to divide 7 to the page. Right, so what you've missed here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're spotting that those are going to be the same length, but the area of each square is 25, not the length. So what you're saying is what times itself is 25 in order to get the length. Okay, and hopefully you'll see it's 5. So each of those distances then has a length of 5, and then from there you can work out what the perimeter is. 46% is correct, and that's correct as well. Right, that's not the right method. This was something that we went through which you missed because you arrived so late. So what you have to do here, we did practice it before Christmas, is you open up your compass and you make a mark on each, sorry, it's 60 degrees, isn't it? You make a curve like that. You then turn your compass and put the compass point where the arc crosses the line that you're given, and then draw another arc like that. And where the two cross, and mine haven't quite crossed, that is where your 60 degree is measured from. So your 60 degrees is there. Okay, so that's how you construct that one. And then a perpendicular bisector cuts this line in half at right angles. So the construction, if you remember, open your compass over halfway, swoosh an arc out, then don't change the size of your compass, put the compass point on Q, swoosh an arc out, and then where the two arcs cross is your perpendicular bisector. So we did that, although you missed it the other day, it was work that we practiced back in the autumn. And then that one again is something that we practiced. You should know that those add up to 360 inside, so you subtract those from 360, gives you that inside angle on a straight line, take it away from 180. These are something we'll practice, but again was something that we practiced before. And that you can't really do without having right, sorry, so what you need to do there is to take those away to find out how much you'd used, and then that would have then been right, times 100 would have given you a percentage. So unfortunately that number's wrong, and that's what's gone wrong there, but you'll get a mark for that. 80 and 40, it hasn't got negative correlation, it's pretty scattered all over the place. So let me just check you got your points in the right place. So they're pretty good. You got one wrong, that one shouldn't be there. So you'll get 1 mark for that, 2 for that, none for that, 4 for the page. And then 8%. Right, it's not 8%, it's 18% that you're trying to work out, and it is, yeah, so your method is wrong there from there. So check how I've gone through that on the video. With this one, it's a shorter side that you're trying to work out. When it's a shorter side, you need to subtract your angles. So let me sorry, your sides, your squares. So let's see if they will allow you. So your method is wrong there. Although you're squaring, the fact that you've added them rather than subtract them means that that one goes wrong. And with this one, all you're looking to do is to see what the scale factor is, what you have to multiply that by to give you that, and it's 1.6. Multiply everything else by 1.6. Okay, Dylan, not a bad little paper considering you arrived so late. Let's see what your total is. 12, 16, 27, 37, 41, 48, 54, 58. 58 is a D, but you're only about 3 marks off a grade C. So that's really encouraging. It didn't take you very long, and I'm sure when you go through it, there's a mark there that you've lost. So 2 marks there you've lost. There's your 3 on the first few pages. So well done. I'm really encouraged with that, Dylan. Good stuff.